Let me guess. The first word you learn to say in English is probably hello. And it's a good word, but we probably don't use it as much as you may think. We use it mostly when answering the phone. Hello? But when you are face to face with someone, there are better ways to greet them than hello. The way you greet them can also depend on your relationship with them. I'll go through a few different greetings in this lesson. Make sure you don't use the wrong one. Let's start with what's up. This is a very common greeting in America. Do you know how to respond? Here are some examples. Hey John, what's up? Not much. What about you? The question, what's up, means what have you been doing recently? We usually just answer the question with not much. It means we haven't really been doing anything interesting recently. But maybe you have been doing something interesting recently and you want to tell them about it. Here's an example of how you can do that. Hey John, what's up? I just bought a new car. Do you want to go see? Yeah. And it could even be some bad news. Hey John, what's up? My pet fish just died a couple days ago. I've been really sad recently. Ah, I'm sorry to hear that. And when somebody asks you what's up, then after you reply, you should also ask them. You could say, how about you? It's just considerate and it shows that you're interested in their lives as well. Hey John, what's up? Not much. What about you? I'm going to lunch. Do you want to come? Sounds great. Now let's talk about the greeting, how's it going? This is used pretty much the same as what's up. However, you can say this to anyone, not just your friends. You can say it to your boss, your family, your friends, or even someone you're meeting for the first time. Here are a few examples. Hey John, how's it going? Not bad. How about you? You can answer by saying one of these. Great. Good. Pretty good. Not bad. Hanging in there. Not so good. And again, remember to end by asking them about themselves. I'm good. How about you? Got it? All right. Now let's talk about hello. At the beginning of this video, I told you how we use hello when we answer the phone. Well, we also use it when we're talking to a group or introducing ourselves. Hello, my name is John. I'm new here. I work in IT, so if you have any computer problems, you can give me a call. So besides the greetings I have talked about, there are some more casual greetings, such as hey or hi. Hey, for example, is used more with friends. Hey Joe. Hey John. And hi is kind of used more like hello. It's a little bit more light, less serious. Like if you want to give the impression that you're more friendly or outgoing, you can use hi. Here are a couple examples to show you what I mean. Hello, my name is John. I work in accounting. Hi, I'm Joe. I'm super excited to meet everyone today. See the difference? I mean, it's small and not super important, but it can help to lighten the mood. Before you ask, always answer the phone with hello. Do you have any other questions? Put them in the comments section. If this video was helpful, hit the like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks. Like, are we gonna be awkwardly close to each other?